up, guys? It's Scott with Neverhead back for another Clover Health update. And boy, yesterday was an absolute doozy, wasn't it? We are sitting in the pre-market today. I got up early for you guys to do an early update on Clover Health because we got a lot to go over today. Let's see what the RSI was to close the day. Not overbought, sitting at 55.56. So that is very good there. Lots of room to run for this one. We did touch $10.99 here. That got rejected, and then we kind of consolidated a little bit. Finished the day really strong at 1080. Lots of volume yesterday. I think we hit close to 80 million, which I can't remember the last time we hit 80 million in volume on Clover Health. Usually it's been between like 6 and 12 million. Back and forth for the last couple of months like that. And let's take a look at those MACD lines here. Pretty strong MACD lines to end the day, looking like they were just about touching here, trading above that 50 EMA line all day. Love to see that. And not much going on here in pre-market. We got just over a million in volume, and we're up 6 cents. So this thing is still running up here. I'm going to be throwing some more options down on this today, obviously, because this thing is, I think, just going to keep running up. Might as well make some money while the run is going strong. Moving on over to Fintel here. We're going to take a look at the short interest. So short interest is still very high at 15.42% of the float. Days to cover still hovering around that 1.5 days mark. I've seen as high as 2 in the last couple weeks and as low as just over 1. So we're right in that range of 1.5, sitting at 1.41. Short squeeze score has gone down a little bit, down to 70.69, and we're looking at 650,000 shares available to short. So again, still in that range of 500,000 to 1.5 that we've had for the last couple of months. So the good news is I do not think this is the squeeze that we've been talking about for the last couple of months, because nothing is looking out of the ordinary here. Just a lot of volume yesterday. Same thing with that short borrow fee rate, sitting around the 1 to 1.5 range. Right now we're sitting at 1.27 from 15 hours ago. And if we go over to Chart Exchange, we can see the dark pool volume. Oh my word. Dark pool had 81 million in volume for yesterday. Good God. 56% of the total volume. So total reported short volume, 49 million. Total reported volume was 132 million. So you have volume off the freaking charts yesterday. If we go naked short report, we can see the exchange reported volume is only 80 million, and of that, 30 million was on the short side here. So the shorts are still hammering this thing. 80 million on the freaking dark pool is insane. All right, let's check out that options chain, because we got a lot more options in the money, and I think these $11 calls should be good for today. This is for September 10th. So these are the ones expiring Friday. The September 17th, I think, is the monthly one. This is going to have a lot more open interest. 28,000 $12 calls. Those should be good come next week. Depending on what the premiums are, I'll probably end up getting some maybe $15 or $16 calls expiring in October, just to get a little bit of a cheaper premium on them, and then probably sell them if if they go up 200-300%, which I would imagine they would, as this thing is going to keep on running, in my opinion. All right, we got some DD, guys, from JVG Ape. This is posted a couple hours ago. If you think that was the squeeze today, happy to tell you, no way. CBOE plus Ferna data modeled from the CBOE activity after running the algo, it indicates that there was a lot of buying and covering. However, the short volume today across the exchanges was north of 63 million. So we just confirmed that. It's well over 63 million. All right, so let's get into it. There's tons of data to look over. While our algo is an estimate, it reflects what we believe, what is truly going on, but make your own logical decisions. Below the short shares volume, algo calculated short interest for the year. Previous short interest calculated by the algo was 229 million. After today, there was a lot of covering buying pressure that came out, adding to their short interest by just over 3 million. His algo also indicated that there was some profit taking, which is expected. The algo indicates 230 million short interest. If you think they came out better after today, no way. The data is saying that they dug their hole just a little bit deeper. Here, I'm going to link to this page here so you can look over the charts here. Below is what the algo is generating for the first 3 days of September for FERNA, CBOE, and the other exchanges. 11 million in short interest for the month of September, and there's a lot more out there. Just look at the above screen capture. 38% of volume for September has been short. So here we can see short interest. Well, if you add all these numbers up, looks like it'll be about 38%. See, 37, 37, 54, 37. So yeah, super fucking high. Since July 6th, the short volume for the CBOE and FERNA is about 370 million. The algo indicates that since July, short interest is just north of 70 million. Think about this. All those shorts in the $8 price range. We're guessing that a little more pressure, and guess what happens? A margin call if you want to put on the pressure. If this goes to $14 to $15, we're going to the fucking moon. So this chart here is yesterday's price action here for September 7th, and it is the first 30 minutes of each hour. If we were to include all the other exchanges, the short volume for when price crossed the $11 mark was likely north of 500,000 short shares per minute, which is absolutely insane. And this one here is the second 30 minutes for each hour of the day. So it's showing the volume for each price point here, and this is fucking wild. Yes, the YOLO God hits the nail on the head. Hasn't squeezed yet, and a lot of good news still on the way. Anyways, guys, that is just about going to do it for this one. So as always, please make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more updates on Clover Health, as well as other stocks and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I'll see you in the next video.